Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Aishwarya Singh Rekwar. I am alumni of JNV Malhar, बिलासपुर छत्तीसगढ़. मैं 2012 में पास आउट हुई थी. So, a very happy International Women's Day to all of you. Today I wanted to convey my thoughts on International Women's Day. I believe Women's Day is a celebration of women making strides in their life, in their career, in the domains where they are excelling. But मुझे लगता है कि none of this is possible without the support and encouragement from the community, from the men in our respective societies. Because the environment in which we work in, we live in, is full of all other people around. And बहुत important role men community को play करना पड़ेगा to empower women, because if you can provide the space, if you can provide that freedom to women for growth, then only we can succeed as a society. So it's very important for each individual to understand, let it be our sisters, our wives, our mothers, so that they can think the impossible and they can grow. We are 21st century women. We are considered as a super women. हम भी अपने आप को ऐसे ही सोचते हैं खुद को लेकर. But what I feel is, while you are juggling, among your various roles of being a career woman, being a mother, a wife, a homemaker, while you are juggling between all your responsibilities, it is very important to also take a moment and focus on yourself. Your health, your mental well-being is very important to perform well in all other aspects of your life. Which I have found very interesting is you have to take care of yourself while performing all other duties, and then only you can help your family to grow. You can be good at your career, you can be good at every other field. So हम इतना ज़्यादा ज़िंदगी की भाग दौड़ में उलझ कर रह जाते हैं कि हम ये रीथिंक ही नहीं करते कि जो हमारे पास है और जो अभी तक हमने अचीव किया है उसे सेलिब्रेट करें. सो लाइफ इज़ अ ब्यूटीफुल जर्नी एंड वी नीड टू एम्पावर ईच अदर एज women to celebrate each other. It is very important because then only we create a message for the society, for the coming generation who is looking up to us. We set an example for the already जो लोग हैं हमारे साथ उनके लिए. And I encourage each one of you to be strong, be brave and be infinite in all your pursuits, because it is only you who can decide the course of your life. So please take charge of your life. Be a homemaker, be an independent worker, writer, traveler, be whatever you want to. Just be yourself. And I would like to thank my mentors, my friends, my family, because किसी की भी स्टोरी, कोई भी जर्नी है वो किसी अकेले की नहीं होती है. So there have been lot of people who have supported me in this journey, जिनका contribution है to make me what I am. And I'm really grateful for all the support and love that I've received. And a very big thanks to this platform, Navadhan Talk. And congratulations to Raj Satyan and PVS Rajput for creating such an platform and giving voice to the people, जिससे जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं, जो बाहर लोग हैं, वो ऐसी स्टोरीज को सुने, उनसे इंस्पायर हों और अपनी लाइफ बेटर कर सकें. So my heartfelt thanks to the entire team of Navadhan Talk for inviting me and giving me a voice, a platform to convey my thoughts. And I wish you all the very best for all your future endeavors. Thank you.